What's up, guys? Welcome back to another day of
Macy
and
and
Allie's
Allie's
Wonderful World of Fun. Alright, guys, today we are going to be doing slime.
Poking,
Yeah, we're doing
ASMR.
some satisfaction videos just for you guys. We're going to be doing fluffy slime and regular slime. So the first one, we're going to be doing fluffy slime, showing you guys what it's about, and the sounds are different. So, let me get right back to you on that. Alright, guys, so we've got our fluffy slime out, and this is my blue, that's her red.
It's like a really vibrant red.
Alright, guys, so squishing sounds.
Ready? Oh, yeah.
Alright, guys. Fluffy slime. Alright, guys, we got regular slime. As you can see, it's a little different. It's a little shinier, too.
And I got my plaid purple. It's like a really dull purple.
Let's see how this sounds. Very satisfying. It's a little different than the fluffy, that's for sure. It's a little different consistency too. It's more bouncy. And yeah, there you go. Perfect.
Yeah, I love this one because it's really soft.
Alright, guys, so as you can see, go follow us on Musical.ly, and yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you go like and comment your name. Comment done once you've subscribed, and we will make sure and like your comment, try to reply back, and definitely subscribe back. Alright, guys, there's some slime for you. Thanks for watching Macy and Allie's Wonderful World of Fun. Yeah, guys, peace out. Slime. Woo.